I am hearing the intimacy of being understood. You might have recently met someone and you're just connecting, you're just clicking. It's just happening. This is the last push. You're about to be born again, but this time is the real you. It's full Phoenix activation, full Mary Magdalene death and rebirth, end of karmic cycles. The new you is happening. The new you is being birthed, and it's happening. It's happening within the next 24 hours. The last push is you facing your debris of traumas that you've been working on, but like 111 on the timer. Currently, I'm not an expert in astrology, but I know that there is a lot of conjunction or planet in Pisces, plus Mercury retrograde. Have you been feeling recently? Emotions being released out of your system, you being so sensitive, and embrace it. Embrace this transformation. Embrace every debris that do not serve your highest and best good is now leaving your system, to let place, to make room for what's coming. There is activation at this time that is going to transform your life fully overnight. If you've been doing the work the way I'm sure you've been doing, because you're so beautiful and devoted to your mission, what is going to happen within the next few days is going to blow your mind. You've been gifted with a very powerful tool, or you're about to be gifted just like that again, because as soon as something is leaving your DNA, as soon as you're working on fixing your DNA, transmuting past trauma from this lifetime or another lifetime, you make space for the new to come, new tools, new gifts, new talents, new abilities, the real self I'm hearing. And that's what you're honoring today. I am here on this planet to help you become your highest version. You're aligned to your highest potential. I am here to help you transmute your traumas. And especially for you, light worker, please visit my website. I'm going to tell you something, and I'm sure that if you click this video, you're going to resonate with. Whether you like it or not, if you're not aligned with your fulfilling life, thank you for the confirmation on my phone. It is simply because your fears are controlling your life. If you do not have the desired outcome in front of you, it's because your fears are, I'm hearing, devouring, absorbing your light, dominating your mind. And this is due to traumas, again, from this lifetime or another lifetime. A trauma, a shock, an emotional shock for your system, for your soul, is the doorway for demons, dark forces, any entity to control your mind. Everything you're going to do after that most often will be vices, addictions. Because the devil doesn't want you to fulfill your mission. The devil, the one that is disturbing, distorting your mind, only wants your light. Because it cannot produce its own light. they want your light and you to be far from aligning with your soul mission. So my gift from the Most High, Goddess energy, is to help you transmute your traumas for these demonic entities, for these dark forces that are controlling your mind, to disturb your peace, to live. I want you to be at peace. That's my priority, because I believe that you came on this planet to fulfill a divine mission. I believe in you. You don't need, I'm hearing, to do a lot to be recognized by the Most High. You just need to embrace yourself fully. Rest now and embrace this change, this transformation. This is apparently a frequency to help you feel complete. If you have the chance to live by the ocean or the sea, just jump there. Release what's been controlling you for eons. All the paths are leading to the source. I got chills right now. Inner authority, intuition. Look inside. That's what I'm saying. I'm talking to a person that's been told by your parent, toxic environment, that you're not enough. And now you're trying to do what God is asking you to rest and receive. You're making room right now. Trust your path. If you knew you were supported, what would you do? This is definitively connected to you think you have to do more, a lot, always for God, source, frequency to love you. It's not true. You're so magnificent. And I'm hearing that now it's about removing all the layers, because God wants you to shine bright who you truly are, your essence, the core of who you are, transmuting, alchemizing everything that is not you. We want to see you. Ooh, this is crown. You're about to be crowned. I'm telling you, release now. Take the time. Leadership. Take the time to rest and anchor these new codes. Until next time, I love you. Namaste.